Welcome back to the bead table, and today we are going to be working with some really pretty color. Now, these right here are gorgeous Hishi beads that are in a Spiny Oyster and blue turquoise. That color combination is so pretty to me that I decided to go ahead and get some blue apatite in a 4mm bead. We've got some carnelians in a 4mm bead. And then we've got these really pretty blue apatite gradient sparkly 2mm beads to use as spacers. And I also have these really pretty orange aventurine butterflies that we're going to use as well. I love this color combination. I am in love with it. Now, because this is a very tiny bead, I first want to make sure that it's going to fit on my beading wire. So I just want to pick up one to see, and it does. Okay. So I am using Soft Flex Fine in white. So that is the beading wire that we're using today. Now, I want to make this a double-stranded bracelet. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to make a bracelet entirely out of the tiny beads. Because I think that that would be super pretty to support the larger beads, which aren't really that large, but so I am going to take this strand and put it up here, and I'm going to use this one here and just kind of take the graduating beads off like this. And all I'm going to do is pick up these little beads, the Hishis. Like we'll do 3 of those, and then like get some of these over here. This is going to be a challenge, I can already tell you that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to string this up, and then I will meet you back so that we can create the second strand. Okay, our first strand is done, and what I did was I put 3 of the square Hishi beads, separating them each by one of those little tiny 2mm beads. So that's our first strand, and I love the colors on that. Next, we're going to be using the blue apatite, the carnelian, the orange aventurine butterflies, and I'm going to put a couple of these spacers on this strand as well. We are going to continue using our fine beading wire in white. And the way I'm going to start this is by putting a butterfly in the center. And then I want to take 2 of these green beads to separate the butterfly from the blue apatite. So now that we have those little tiny beads on either side of our butterfly, then I'm going to do the blue apatite on each side. An orange in the middle, or I'm sorry, carnelian in the middle. And another blue apatite. Just like that. And that's really pretty. Then I'm going to put 2 more of those green colored spacer beads. on either side. And then I want to put the other 2 butterflies facing inward, like that. And like that. And then put 2 more of the green spacers on either side. And then how we're going to finish it is we are going to just do blue apatite and the carnelian in the middle to the end. There we go. Blue apatite on either side, then orange. I keep saying orange, but this is the carnelian. And then blue apatite, blue, and blue. Now I'm wondering if I should do a spacer. Yeah, let's do spacers. And I think that when this goes up against that first strand that we made, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Totally worth the fight with these little tiny beads. And this is another one of those projects that I really wanted to do because it is bright and colorful, non-earth tones. So it's out of my wheelhouse. And just when I saw this, when I saw these, I already had it planned in my head what I wanted to do. So this is a idea coming to life. Perfect, 6.5. So there's our second strand. And this is with our first strand. And I want you just to take that in. Look how pretty. I love that. So let's do some silver stop beads. Actually, I want to do the rounded ones. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 2 for each. We need 4 wire guards in the silver. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right. And then I'm going to want to do a magnetic clasp. So I'm going to use a heavy duty because I don't want this one to come flying off. And what else do we need? We need jump rings. All right, so here is our first strand. Now let's do the second. Oh, that's beautiful. Just the right amount of sparkle with those little faceted 2mm apatite beads with the butterflies. That's gorgeous. I really hope that you enjoyed making this bracelet with me and that it gives you some inspiration to make something with these gorgeous colors. I love the blue and orange together and the butterflies. There's just the right amount of sparkle. I really love this. I hope you do too, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.